Alright everyone, happy Friday. So Friday means we're having another tool review Friday, and today we're going to be reviewing this. Test for electricity. Very simple tool, but hey, I love having it whenever I'm touching anything electrical. I always like to have this on me. So basically, hold the power button, turn it on. Green. Alright, green means there's no electricity. And you basically tap a wire and you will see if it has electricity. Thanks. Don't know what that's to. So, if I'm about to install a new light fixture or put in a new outlet, you want to make sure there's no voltage going to it before you get electrocuted. So, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to use this. Alright, so as you can see right here, I do have some electrical wire going to a light somewhere. So, if I was going to do electrical, maybe I wanted to tie into this wire and I don't know what breaker it's on, or I just want to test it. Even if I know the breaker, you always want to test the wire. So I get my tester, and there you go. That's how you know if there's a live wire. Just put it up there, it'll blink red and also beep. So that's how you know if a wire is live. Now unfortunately this will not go through any kind of conduit or anything. It has to be directly on the wire. But quick easy way to tell if there's electricity flowing. Now this will also work for 12 volt stuff such as like your car. I've never actually used it for 12 volt, never really needed to, because you won't be electrocuted by a 12 volt car DC current system. Now not only does it test electricity, it's also got a little flashlight that's kind of handy and it'll fit. So if I'm out taking bids and there's anything to do with electricity, maybe I just want to test something, I don't know, I think it's fantastic to have. Now I did also get this little tester with this other tester to test your standard three prong outlet to make sure you got the proper wiring. So if you just put in a new outlet, you can test your ground to make sure basically you put the wires in the right spot. It'll tell you if you got your hot and ground reversed or if it's not grounded. Also a good way to test your outlets in general. I got these out the combo kit. I don't remember what I paid for them, but I will make sure to post a link of it into the description of this video. So if you're doing any electrical, or maybe you just want to be able to have a nice tester so when it comes time, or if you just for the heck of it want to test your own outlets to make sure everything is safe, go ahead and pick these up. And if you like today's video, go ahead and give it a like or give it a dislike if you didn't like today's video. Leave a comment down below of maybe something else you want to see on this review Friday, or just saying anything at all. Whatever it is, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time.